Moving forward towards the method number 2, that is by using a default dictionary over here. So first we are going to import it, that is from the collections we are going to import our default dictionary, and we are going to import the system over here again because we need the maximum size and the maximum length. That's why we are going to import the sys over here. After that, we are creating a function named with the minimum window over here, in which is going to consist of a string and the pattern. And over here we have again included another function over here, which is an isValid. So why we have placed this function, because we need to check the validity of the source and to the destination, that is if they are present, those patterns are present into a string or not. So that's why we have used this function over here. After that, we have an initialization of the source and to the target, that is we are going to make a default dictionaries for them, which will be an empty right now. After that, we are going to use a for loop over here. So why we are using it, because our target, it might be consisting of all of the pattern elements as a key value pair of the one. So that's why we are going to use a for loop over here, which is going to make it by the target of the e of the patterns. And after that, we have a mean length which has been set to the sys.max size. So what is going to do is we are setting to minimum length for our window, that is for the string over here, which we need to find out. We are setting that the minimum length, what should be the minimum length of our string should be, which we need to find out by using the pattern. So we have set it to sys.max size, and the n is equal to the length of the string, and answer is a blank string over here, and to the j has been set to the 0. After that, we have used and for loop over here for I tends to be up to the range of the n, that is the length of the string, in which we are going to update our source for the validation minus source over here. So why we are doing this, we are just validating it if the validation tends to be the false and to the j is less than the n over here, that is the 0 from this. So that's why we are validating it again of this source code from our string of the j, and we are incrementing it by the 1, and to the j we are incrementing by 1, that if it is particularly present or not, as we have seen it over in the definition, it's already there. And after that, we have set an if condition over here, which is again going to check the validity of the source and to the target pair, which we have stored into the default dictionaries over there. And we are again have an if condition, which is the minimum length should be greater than to j minus 1 plus 1 over here. So what we are going to do over here is we are going to take the string from the pattern. So we need to take the particular window size of it. So if the size is greater than, then we are making it up to that particular string size, and we are taking the particular window size to split or to take the string from our given string, and we are storing it into the answer over here, and we are returning the answer, and this is our driver code. So as you can see it over here, our pattern is as rg, and we get the string as an output.